Here we have the Moto Buds S ANC, which is a true wireless headphones. It will support wireless charging. You get 18 hours of playtime. It has a touch controls for the earbuds, the water resistance with IP5. They have a built-in microphone for making hands-free phone calls, and you can use these in stereo, or you can pair one up to two separate devices. In the box, it comes with multi-language setup guides, a USB-C charging cable, and it comes with 3 of those rubberized earpieces, and I had to switch mine out to large, as you can see right here. And this actually fits my ear well. But here's the thing, what I noticed, if you don't change this out, you're not gonna get the most bass response. So if you're not getting a lot of bass, change this out, push in your ear, and you'll be fine. The case that they come in is very small and compact, and it'll fit in your pocket very easily. And when you look at the earbuds, they have 2 microphones, one on the back for noise cancellation, and there's a microphone at the tip. On the bottom of the carrying case is a USB port, and when you open it up, you can see that the earbuds are customized to fit in there perfectly, so you can get a great charge every time. Now, speaking of charge, you're talking about the earphones will hold 6 hours, and the case will give you additional 12 hours, and that's 2 additional charges. And there's different color LED indicators on the side of each earphone to let you know its current status. Now, one thing about these earphones is that they don't support an application that comes with Motorola. However, they're very easy to pair to your device. All you need to do is just go to your Bluetooth menu on your phone. Then you want to take them out of the carrying case. Once you scan for devices and hit connect, you'll hear this Motorola sound.
Hello, Moto.
And now they're ready to use. All right, so here's what I think. If you listen to a lot of hip hop and rap music, it's gonna be good on your highs. You're gonna be able to hear all the vocals clear, the cymbals good. But what it lacks for me is that really low bass, like 808 kick drum type bass. It's not gonna shake your head, but the bass is still there. It's just not gonna be the earth shattering bass, if you know what I mean. Not bad. So if you listen to the genre of country music, I think you're gonna really like these, just for the fact that the bass is not so deep. It's a hard-hitting bass that's impactful. You can hear it on these very good. Another thing that I really liked about it is that the string guitars came in really detailed, and the vocals were definitely standing out quite a bit as well. So if you're looking for some earbuds, you like country music, these may be the ones for you. Now you're probably wondering, how good do they sound on music like BPM, classical, or jazz? Well, I tested that and they sounded pretty good. Again, you just don't get that real low bass, but everything in the higher end works great. Now today I'm using the Spotify app that allowed me to customize it to get the best sound out of them. And you can also connect the Bluetooth to a television, a computer, and you can use Apple Music or Google Play Music. With the built-in EQs, you can get the most out of these earphones. Also, I did a few audio tests to let you guys hear what the microphone sounds like. So here's an example in a closed environment. This is the audio test of the Motorola Bud S. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. But the true test is how well do they sound with real people. So I have one of my friends give me a call so I can see what they think. Now you're on speakerphone. What'd you hear again?
There is just a little hiss, which is very minor.
How about the clarity of them? And let's say, do you hear any background noise or anything like that?
Not at all. Very clear.
In all fairness, I did call a few of my other friends and they did hear a little bit of noise. So I decided to try another set of earphones that I have that sells for about 150 bucks. And they heard it on that one too. So it is a common problem with Bluetooth in general. And I don't really think no matter how much money you spend, they're all going to have some type of noise or something like that just because it's a wireless connection. Now, another feature that I really enjoy about these earphones is they have a feature called ACN, which is active noise canceling. And what that does is it puts a white noise into the sound, so it helps eliminate background noise, especially if you're traveling or on an airplane. It's definitely going to be great for those type of situations. And another feature I like about these earphones is that they have a feature called Ambient Mode. And what this feature does is that when you have the earphones on, you can hit a button and now you can hear things around you and the music. So if someone's at the gym and they bump into you or they want to talk to you, you can still hear them just fine. And you probably haven't thought about this, but these have this boom on it, which is great because all the other earphones I have, when I try to adjust them in my ear, I'm pausing my music, I'm calling people, I'm triggering all the voice commands, and this allows you to adjust it very nicely. And the tip of it is a touch control. So with that, you can do play pause, you can call people, you can end the phone call, you can even trigger changing your different tracks, skipping backwards, as well as doing all the AC in and ambient mode. So if you're interested in the earbuds, they retail for about $150 at the time of this video, and I'll leave all those links in the description below. I'm Tech Steve. I want to give a special thanks to Motorola for sending these over. Thanks for you guys for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace!